Hi everyone, mabuhay! I am Gian Matiaong, BSM2 Section 2. This video is all about customer making a room reservation and customer making a table reservation. Hope you enjoy it. Thank you. And God bless us all. Hi, I'd like to make a dinner reservation for the Friday evening. Certainly, what time would you prepare? Around 7 in the evening, please. And how many people will be in your party? We are 10 in a group. May I have your name, please? Just put Gabriel P. Garcia, sir. Alright. We have a table reserved for you. 10 people on Friday, January 3, 31, 2025. 7 in the evening. Mr. Gabriel P. Garcia. Is there anything else you like to request? No, that's all. Thank you. Hello, I'd like to book a room for an overnight stay this coming Saturday. Of course. What of room are interested in? I would like to have a deluxe room. Do you prefer a check-out table or date? Probably Monday in the morning. May I have your name, please? I am Maxwell Laurent. Certainly, we try our best to accommodate that. Well, confirm your reservation details via email. Thank you for choosing No Star Hotel.